Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by diagnosing your connection with simple, reliable checks. Run a speed test and aim for latency under 50 ms for stable play. Check whether you are on 5 GHz Wi-Fi versus 2, 4 GHz, and move within 3, 5 meters of the router for a stronger signal. Verify FIFA Mobile server status on a secondary device or website to exclude server outages. Restart your router and phone, then retest to reproduce the error before applying fixes. Try immediate fixes that often resolve in-game network problems quickly. Change your DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 to reduce lookup delays and improve reliability. Close background apps and disable VPN or proxy services that create extra routing and packet congestion. Enable your router's Co-S and prioritize FIFA Mobile traffic, preferring TCP port 443 and common UDP for game. Use advanced steps if quick fixes do not solve the issue for you. Try wired tethering or an Ethernet adapter to cut wireless instability and aim for consistent 50 ms or lower latency. Capture network logs and record timestamps of errors, then send them to EA support along with 30 minutes of gameplay footage. Update router firmware and factory, reset the router if packet loss exceeds 25%. Finally, reinstall FIFA Mobile and update your device OS before escalating the problem to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.